Are you looking for a radiant, glowing, and healthy-looking skin? Are you interested in a perfect exfoliation? Forever Flawless Diamond-Infused Facial Peeling Gel is a gentle yet effective exfoliating and peeling treatment for your face. Exfoliating and peeling are essential to any skincare routine. Forever Flawless Peeling Gel will leave your skin purified, detoxified, and energized. It will gently remove dead skin cells and impurities from the top layer of your skin for a flawless appearance. Simply apply the Forever Flawless Diamond-Infused Peeling Gel over damp, clean skin. Massage in circular motions until desired exfoliation is achieved, and rinse off with warm water. This peeling gel is a great way for you to get a microdermabrasion treatment at home. It's enriched with natural botanicals and diamond powder and suitable for all skin types. Be flawless forever with Forever Flawless.